Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a common problem that many of us have experienced at least once: the issue of managing excessive pop-up notifications on our devices. These notifications can be overwhelming and distracting, making it difficult to focus on our tasks or enjoy some uninterrupted screen time. So, let's dive into this annoying problem and explore some effective solutions. Now, let's talk about the solution. One way to address this problem is by disabling notifications for non-essential apps. By going into your device settings, you can selectively turn off notifications for apps that are not critical to your daily activities. This will help reduce the number of pop-ups you receive and allow you to focus on what's important without constant interruptions. Remember, less is more when it comes to notifications. Another solution to consider is setting specific notification schedules. You can customize the timing and frequency of notifications for different apps to better suit your needs. For example, you might want to receive email notifications during work hours, but prefer not to be disturbed by social media alerts during family time. By setting these schedules, you can regain control over when and how you receive notifications, ensuring they enhance your productivity rather than hinder it. In summary, managing pop-up notifications can greatly improve your digital experience by reducing distractions and enhancing focus. Whether you choose to disable notifications for non-essential apps or customize notification schedules, finding the right balance is key. So, give these solutions a try and take back control of your device notifications. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment below with your own tips for dealing with pesky pop-ups. Remember, a notification-free zone is a happy zone.